Cybercriminals increasingly using EvilProxy phishing kit to target executives. Threat actors are increasingly using a phishing as a service (FOS) toolkit dubbed EvilProxy to pull off account takeover attacks aimed at high-ranking executives at prominent companies. At least 35% of all compromised users had additional account protections enabled. Nowadays, all an attacker needs is to set up a campaign using a point-and-click interface with customizable options, such as bot detection, proxy detection, and geofencing. Security researchers Shachar Gritzman, Moshe Avraham, Tim Cromford, Jake Guillenet, and Elon Bendit said. The latest wave of attacks commences with phishing emails that masquerade as trusted services like Adobe and DocuSign to trick recipients into clicking on malicious URLs that activate a multi-stage redirection chain to take them to a lookalike Microsoft 365 login page, which functions as a reverse proxy to stealthily capture the information entered in the form. Although these attacks' initial threat vector is email-based, their final goal is to compromise and exploit valuable cloud user accounts, assets, and data. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel.